Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Focus coolant reservoir tank. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant or steam. Next, gather your necessary tools, including a flathead screwdriver, channel lock pliers, and a container to collect the old coolant. Then, locate the radiator drain plug, typically on the lower right side, and carefully drain the coolant into your pan. With the coolant drained, it's time to remove the old reservoir. Begin by disconnecting the two main hoses connected to the tank. Use channel lock pliers to pinch the hose clamps, slide them back, and then carefully twist and pull the hoses free. Next, locate any mounting bolts, often a 10mm size, or pry clips with a flathead screwdriver to release the reservoir from its bracket. Now, let's install your new coolant reservoir. Carefully position the new tank onto its designated mounting bracket. Ensure it sits securely, then reattach any 10mm bolts or firmly press it down until the clips snap into place. Next, reconnect the two coolant hoses to their respective ports on the new reservoir, sliding the hose clamps back into their original, secure positions. Finally, it's time to refill your cooling system. Add about 1 gallon of a 50/50 mix of Motorcraft Yellow or compatible ethylene glycol coolant to the new reservoir. Reinstall the cap, then run your engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air. After the engine cools, recheck the coolant level and inspect all hose connections for any signs of leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.